Hi, I'm James. I can tell you about process flow diagrams. I will ask you to find and open 3 valves. You should first identify which valve to open on the process flow diagram, also called PFD, in front of you, and then find the same valve in the plant. A process flow diagram is a graphical representation that shows connections between pipes, valves, and plant equipment units on a plant facility. They are called PFDs for short. Most valves on the plant are open or closed valves. Open valves are parallel to the pipe, whilst closed valves are perpendicular to the pipe. There are also other types of valves, such as control valves and solenoid valves. Each equipment is given a label or a code. In process flow diagrams, equipment is identified using both letters and numbers. Codes begin with the equipment's name, then a corresponding number. Let's start with the first one. Turn on the valve to let the product into the product vessel. This is the polishing filter. As a small filter, it removes the remaining calcium carbonate generated in the reactor. This is the product vessel. It is used for intermediate product storage prior to product transfer. The product feed is automatically stopped once the vessel is full. This is a heat exchanger PHE1. It preheats the process water feed and cools down the product stream, which leaves the reactor. No, that's not right. Try again. Well done. Now for the second one. Come back to the lab. Well done. Now for the second one. Come back to the lab. Turn on the valve that feeds hotter fluid into the heat exchanger PHE1. This is a heat exchanger PHE1. It preheats the process water feed and cools down the product stream, which leaves the reactor. This is the reactor vessel. RV1 has an internal heating coil that heats up the process fluid. RV1 is also fitted with an agitator, which facilitates mixing of the process fluids. These are the main process filters. They remove the majority of calcium carbonate waste from the process fluid. In normal operation, only one pump is used. Well done. Perfect. Now for the last task. Come back to the lab. Turn on the valve which will let the solid feed into the reactor. This is the reservoir for the feedstock, and it provides a constant solids feed into the reactor. It contains a mixer, which mixes the solid feed. This is the reactor vessel. RV1 has an internal. This is the heating vessel. It supplies heating water for the heating coil in the reactor. It is necessary for chemical reactions to take place. Well done. Great. Well done. That's all.